Key details are the important parts of a story. They answer big questions, like,
who is the story about?
What happens in the story?
When and where does the story happen?
Let's listen to the story and answer these questions. The answers we find are the key details. It was Peck's birthday, and Sandy made a cake. She went inside to get balloons. When she came back outside, the cake had disappeared. Who is the story about?
Sandy.
What happens in the story?
The cake disappears.
When did the cake disappear?
When Sandy was inside.
The question, who, asks about the people or animals in the story. Who is helping Sandy look for the cake? Tap them. That's right. Cody is helping Sandy look for the cake. The question, what, asks about the objects or events that are happening in the story. What clue did Sandy find? Tap it. Yes, Sandy found a trail of cake crumbs. That's an important detail. The question, where, asks about places in the story. Where did they look for the cake? Tap it. Good job. The trail of cake crumbs led them to the pool, and they found some birdseed along the way. The question, when, asks about the time or the order that things happen in the story. When did they find the cake? When Peck showed up. He had the cake all along. Now let's see what you learned about question words. Connect the question words to their definitions. Nice work! Connect the question words to their definitions. You did it! Now let's practice answering questions about the story with these words. What was the main clue they found? Tap on the choices to hear them read out loud. A trail of cake crumbs. Cody eating the cake. A pool with cake in it. A trail of cake crumbs. Awesome job! Who had the cake all along? Tap on the choices to hear them read out loud. Peck, Sandy, Cody, Peck. That's right. Peck tells them he had the cake all along. Thanks for learning with me.